Welcome to GK Shorthand School Kolar. Today's English Shorthand Dictation passage 100 words per minute intermediate grade December 2006 by Vellala Chandru, GK Institute of Commerce Kolar. Yes, get ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all to the 25th annual general body meeting of your company. The audited accounts and the report is already in your hands, and with your kind permission I shall take them as read. During the year under review, we have faced many socio-economic changes resulting in unforeseen circumstances which were solved with esteemed and kind cooperation of one and all present here. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude for the timely help extended, which has made our company to become one of the leading companies in the state of Karnataka. I once again thank one and all who are directly and indirectly responsible for such a rapid progress in a very short span of 2 years. I hope and look forward for such support in the years to come. As you are all aware, the country has faced unknown tsunami disaster causing in heavy loss of properties and death of millions of people. As our brothers and sisters were the victims of a huge disaster, the government had taken timely measures to help the victims. It is also our bounden duty to extend our helping hand to them at this point of time. Our company has contributed financial aid of rupees 50 lakhs to the Chief Minister's Tsunami Relief Fund, which has been greatly admired by the concerned. It has been possible because of the sincere efforts put forth by our employees, resulting in an increased profit. I would like to point out that the year under review was coupled with both good and bad things. In the earlier part of the year, our company was able to achieve a record profit of 54%. No doubt, I am sure that the credit of this achievement goes to one and all. As resolved by the board of directors, I have great pleasure in announcing a bonus of 5,000 rupees to each and every employee, irrespective of their status. I am sure that you shall continue to make our company an ideal to the rest of the people. In this happy moment, I would like to announce one more surprise gift to the employees. With the support of you all, we are going to award Best Performance Awards to the employees for their progressive role and excellent performance shown from the next financial year. Sir, I am sure that this resolution will meet the acceptance of each and every one present here, because there is no scope for any doubt at all so far as the main aim of this resolution is concerned. In this connection, I would like to inform one thing which has become a major problem to a country like ours. I am of the opinion that if there is one single factor which comes in the way of the millions of this country sharing the fruits of development and progress, it is the problem of population. In fact, I have always a feeling that if only we had the same population as any of the advanced countries with the national resources which we have today, I am sure that we would also be one of the developed nations and nobody would be recognizing us as a developing nation. The point which I am making is that unless the present fast growth of population is checked, whatever development we have achieved in various fields throughout the country will be in vain. In that event, instead of sharing prosperity, we will only be dividing poverty, and the worst sufferers will be those belonging to the weaker sections of the society for whom development is intended. It is true that the level of population in a society has got a close link with the level of prosperity in that society. Detailed studies in this regard have been done from time to time, taking into consideration the per capita income of the individual and also the social and economic conditions in the richer countries and the poorer countries. With all these, we have been able to make our country a developing country from the state of underdeveloped country, which is a matter of proud. Letter dated 22nd December 2004 to Ramaswamy, number 16, Balapet, Kadur. Dear sir, we are in receipt of your letter of 10th instant inquiring us to supply the materials required by you for the coming marriage season. As you are aware, we have been recognized as one of the best sellers in the state of Karnataka. We have got our branches all over Karnataka except in your city. Therefore, we have planned to utilize this opportunity to open a branch at your city. I am sure you will consider this as a new year gift to the people of your city. In this regard, I would like to bring to your kind notice that all the required formalities have been completed at our legal section, and as soon as the receipt of final approval, I will be in a position to intimate the exact date from which the branch in your city will come into force. In this connection, I would like to inform you to make arrangements for a suitable accommodation with reasonable monthly rent and to keep the same ready for occupation as early as possible, preferably in the second week of January next. We take this opportunity to express our gratitude to all those who have been assisting and cooperating with us in extending our business throughout the state, and in recognition of their services, we are happy to announce a further commission of 5% in addition to the commission of 8% prevailing now on our monthly turnover from the coming year. I hope and trust that this will make our agents to work with more sincerity and dedicated service in the years to come. awaiting an early response from your end. We remain yours faithfully. For Lakshmi Fabrics proprietor. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you.